Hello you guys, I am here about to do a mukbang, but the McDonald's is crazy packed that they told me to come park by the restaurant that's here, the Del Taco, until they brought me my food. Like, wow, I really beat the line though. Like, I only had to wait like behind one other person. I'm gonna just park this way. Hopefully I'm not in the way of anybody, but this is where they told me to go. Yeah, I think this is good because this gives them enough time to come this way. So yeah, I'm here at McDonald's. Hey, this is my go-to place, you know, this is my #1. I got something new actually. Well, not new, but like I normally don't get this, so I don't know. I feel I did a job interview today, so that's why you see me wearing the same outfit. That's the same day. Or I might put this one first. If you see our next video, these two next videos are gonna be me in this outfit, me in this day. I don't know which one's going first, blah blah blah. But yeah, I got large fries for $1 because you know I got me my app that gives me my deals. So yeah, I did this one, the whole. Can you see it? I don't know if you guys can see it, but you know, the $1 large fries. They do it every once in a while. So yeah, I got that. Then I got the quarter pounder with no cheese or onion. I usually don't ever get the quarter pounder, but it was kind of calling my name today. And I really wanted a hot and spicy, but I was like, you know what? I had a lot of them over the weekend, and I was just like, let me just take like a day break from the hot and spicy. So yeah, and then I got the large Sprite light ice. And you guys, I have my straw. I usually always forget about them, so I like having two here. I rinse them off, so I mean they're not the cleanest, but also I don't care because I rinsed them good enough, and I'm the one who had them, so I don't care. If I was giving it to someone, then I would care more about them not being really that clean, but I don't care that much for myself. So yeah, now I'm here waiting for my food, and I might stay here and eat. Nah, I probably won't. I don't know where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to another parking lot though. Yeah, this is my hair right now. That's a flight attendant. She looks like, yep, that's a flight attendant. Oh my freaking gosh, she has my dream job. Well, it was my dream job, but now I'm over it because I don't know. Am I over it? I might not be over it. I might still want to do that eventually. There's so much I want to do in life. Like, I just want to have all kind. Like, I also want to be a real estate lady. Like, those two jobs I feel like really have interested me for a really long time. But I'm here going for my bachelor's in communication. After that, we'll figure out what the next move for me will be. I feel like, should I ask? Like, I want to ask her questions. Like, she's literally right here, right next to my car. She moved. I think she's waiting to get picked up or something. But I feel like talking to her. But that's gonna be weird. I'm not gonna do it. I need to stop staring. Okay, I'll be back. Just waiting for the food. So yeah, they got their food. Maybe I just don't look that hungry, but I am. So my total was, I know oh, there she is. She's coming. My total was $7.48. Act cool, you guys. Act cool. Ay, está bien. Gracias. No. Que tenga buen día. Huh, what a sweet lady. Everything looks here. Hopefully there's no, yeah, it says no cheese and no onion. She gave me ranch and ketchup. Alright, where do I go? I'm gonna just park in this parking lot. Oh, let me take my seatbelt off now. Okay, I'm good. I'm not dying. I don't eat ranch or ketchup. I don't really know what to do with that. But it's always good to have sauces around, right? Oh, here it is. And here are the fries. Should I do a thumbnail? I usually never do. Okay, here it is. I took a thumbnail. Hopefully I like it. Is someone in that car? I need to stop looking at people's cars. Okay, so quarter pounder, no American cheese, no silver onion. I didn't even know that's what it's called. Literally, pickles, cheese, pickles, ketchup, the beef, and that's it. Pretty plain. Now I kind of regret not getting the hot and spicy, but whatever. Whoa. It did say it was new, and it was like new 100% beef, so that worried me because I was like, what was in there before? But also don't tell me because I don't want to know. Did that girl get picked up already? I feel like a weirdo just staring at her. But it said 100% beef, new, hot, and juicy or something like that. I don't remember, but it is good. Let me put more ketchup in it because it actually does need more ketchup. I try not to drink so much soda, especially dark soda, but like I don't know, it still makes me really gassy because I don't do it that often. Ah! I don't know where to put. How did I do this before? Because I feel like I remember, oh, I did something like this. Did I put the fries over here? Trying to, that seems right? Ah. I mean, this way you guys can kind of see the fries. It does make it harder for me to eat it. But as long as you guys can see it, I'm okay with struggling. Wow, it's so nice, huh? Okay, so I put ketchup in here. Let me put more. So. That tastes a lot better. Let me just text real quick. Okay. It's 11:33, you guys. I don't know if you guys wanted another time, but now you do. Let me just enjoy this for like 2 seconds before I start talking. I have to go home and do a lot of homework. Not a lot. I have to go and do a good amount of homework. I love the pickle part. I really like pickles. But I don't think I like whole pickles. Like, you know how people be buying like pickles in a little bag? I don't know how I feel about that. I've never had them. Or like the spicy pickles. Maybe I should just try it. I don't know. I just feel like I wouldn't really like them. Like, I like sliced pickles. Or the pickles that you get at fancy restaurants that are like cut into like little pyramids, you know? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Am I sounding crazy? I don't know. Hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, those two are my favorite pickles. I mean, was my order that complicated? Because no one else is waiting here. Maybe it just has slowed down a little bit. It's still pretty busy. I thought it looked still really busy. But I already put ketchup. This is good. I don't regret my decision anymore. TBH, I'm already getting full. Why? How am I already getting full? It makes no sense. Oh my goodness. Putting like a lot of ketchup, huh? I feel like I'm putting a lot. I need to chill. Shove it back in here. Oh my god! Making a mess. Oh, I think I used to do this too. Hold on. Whee! Right? Let me. Wow, this girl's. Yeah, this feels a lot better. I'm enjoying my time right now. I just love McDonald's. I wish McDonald's sponsored me. You know how they sponsored like what are those girls from the vlog squad? Erin and Carly and Erin. They not sponsored them, but they had sent them like merch. I would really love to get to that level where they're sending me merch. I just want McDonald's to send me merch, and then I'll know I made it. Ooh, there it is. Ah, I'm getting full. I think I used to tell you guys how when I would get full. Let me lock them. I don't know. Yeah, it's already locked. I don't know if I ever told you guys, you know, when I would get really full, like my nose gets stuffy and like I feel like I get a lot of mucus buildup. What is that about? Do you guys know what that's about? I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh. They finally have someone waiting right there where I was waiting at. I was about to say, it's literally a quarter pounder without cheese and onion. Like, I didn't think that was that complicated, and it made me feel bad. Because I was just like, oh my god, I hate being like a complicated order. My thing is, you guys always saw me not finishing my food, so it's not a surprise if I don't finish my food, but I'm gonna finish at least the burger. Oh my god, I'm such a chismosa, I fucking swear. I want to grow up and live in my house, and I want to be like #1, like, what's it called, house watching people. You know how people like have neighborhood watch? Like, I want to be the one that organizes all of that. I want to know all the drama, all the tea, but also back off my business. Like, you don't need to know what I'm up to, but let me know what you're up to. I know, I'm a hypocrite. That's what it is. It's not like I like gossiping or being a chismosa in a negative way. My thing is, I just really enjoy people watching and like knowing about other people's lives and how they live it. I think it's really interesting. So yeah. It's not like I judge them. And And you know, not all judging is bad. Like, I can be judging in a good way. At least I think so. I don't know if that's a thing. I don't know. Like, I can be judging you, but like in a good way. Oh wow, there was someone in that car. Huh? Oh no, I dropped the fry in the cup holder. I'm really full. Should I just shove this one in my mouth? Or should I bite it into two? I'm gonna just put it all in my mouth because my battery's telling me it's running out. Don't turn off on me because I swear I'm gonna be really freaking mad. Give me 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Ooh, I spit, sorry. Let me try to fastly eat so I can say bye. Okay. So my camera did die on me, so just saying goodbye here. Thank you for watching it. I know it's super short, super like nothing, but I hope you guys enjoyed it at least a little bit. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.